Sock-Distic and C Mosley in the mall about to do
By
some
time
promo
you get ready to
videos.
shoot me in a video, yeah. The intimate desire gonna go hard, bro. Yeah. Marcina be having them good looking right. Marcina be having them good looking right though, yeah. I had to cut my leg good off. She didn't know how to dress worth a damn, yeah. Ass shit and stuff, ratchet ass clothes, fit. I told her, man, go to intimate desire, man. I'll put the bill, yeah. Get it though for me, Bob. Appreciate that.
Never been in no mall before. Have you looking around a lot?
Bro, I do big shelf dodges. You gotta watch your surroundings, bro. Yeah, you too friendly, bro. You gotta look where you at. Yeah. I had to call old boy back there to do some cleaning up for me. Yeah. Watch your step, bro. Flow slipper. Get out of line, we gonna lie like the flow slipper. You know I wrote that shit. Cet-Distic stole that shit from me, yeah.
You did?
Yeah, I wrote that shit. They don't give me no credit for that, yeah.